As an owner or officer in a manufacturing company, you know that production is the heart of it. Like a racehorse, the stronger and more efficient you can make that heart, the faster materials, the lifeblood of your company, will flow through, delivering all the benefits that come from that. Better on-time delivery, shorter lead times, higher recognized revenue, and resulting strength in cash flow and profitability. The bottom line is, the faster and more efficiently you're able to get the material flowing through production, the faster and more profitably your company will grow. A couple key performance indicators used to measure performance in production are on-time delivery to your customers and the lead times you're able to quote and actually deliver on. Better on-time delivery leads to a better reputation in the marketplace, and shorter lead times means you're able to win more business and get that cash in the door more quickly as well. Both have significant impact on the financial health of your company. So how can you objectively determine your company's opportunity for improving production performance? A good way to figure this out is the following exercise. Make a list of the current backlog of sales orders that should have already shipped or that have a customer promise date within the next 30 days. It's often easiest to do this at the beginning of the month. After the 30-day period, bring the list back up and review. How many sales orders were not actually able to ship? What is the total value of those sales orders that didn't ship? What is the percentage of overall backlog you had that was not able to ship? This value is your indicator of the size of your opportunity to improve production performance. Would you be able to ship 100% of your orders? Maybe not. There's probably a significant percentage that would make investment in a tool or methods to improve on-time delivery have a significant ROI. We at LillyWorks help manufacturers like you solve the late problem by implementing the dynamic production method. This approach is designed to maximize your production's capability to deliver all your orders on time and reap the financial benefits of doing so.